welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
It feels like it's been so long.
It does seem like it's been rather long. Oh, well, but anyways, it's only been like a week for the viewers. So, we're back. So, we have ourselves another Celsius Live Fit Energy Raspberry Acai Green Tea.
Oh, really?
Non-carbonated.
This sounds really good,
Acai?
actually.
Is it acai berry?
Yeah, acai.
Acai.
Normally,
Yeah,
though, it's
I'm not
mixed
sure.
with blueberries,
Anyways,
so that's
yeah.
interesting.
But very, very cool looking can,
Or
once again.
pomegranate.
Oh,
So
pomegranate.
raspberry
Yeah,
blend
pomegranate.
should be pretty good.
So let's say
Full
here.
of antioxidants, I'm sure.
Oh, yes. So, obviously, this green tea base with non-carbonated, so a little bit different on this one. We got ourselves 10 calories in the important factoids, 2 grams of carbohydrate, 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 20 milligrams of niacin. We have 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12, 300 micrograms of biotin, 10 milligrams of lovely acid. We got ourselves 50 milligrams of calcium in here. That's kind of interesting. 50 micrograms of chromium, 0 milligrams of sodium, and then we got the proprietary energy blend of taurine, guarana seed extract, caffeine, ginger root extract, and green tea leaf extract, and 200 milligrams of caffeine.
And that's where our natural
200 milligrams of caffeine.
Whoa.
Yeah. So
I do kind of like that comes from a natural source.
more natural sources. Well, it's mixed with more natural sources, anyways. Oh, smells pretty good.
But it has a taste.
Definitely tea.
Okay. So if you mix that with the Sprite, it might really taste good.
Very muted raspberry. Seems like the acai might be getting a little bit more of the taste profile, yeah.
It's interesting. That's kind of sweet.
Yep.
Nice smell.
Tea, not my favorite texture or base drink to drink out of,
No.
but it isn't bad.
Super smooth.
It's super smooth,
Very light.
refreshing. Yep.
So
Not
if
syrupy, so.
if you do want some sparkle, Sprite of some sort.
Yep.
Very nice blend. Yeah. Yeah, definitely the tea, but it's not heavy, slapping in the face, bitter sort of tea.
Yeah, it definitely tastes on that same Arizona base of tea.
Yeah.
Arizona sweet
Flavor.
tea. So.
You got mucho mango
Yeah.
or Arnold Palmer. Green tea.
Yep.
It's interesting. What's the note down here about clinically? What is that?
Clinically proven dietary supplement. So it's clinically proven to be a good dietary supplement.
Wow.
Supposedly.
Yeah.
As we know from a certain energy drink company, you can put almost anything on your cans. So, yeah. Cool, right? Hi!
Up to the consumer to put their faith in it or do the research.
Yep, exactly.
But my tongue says it tastes pretty good.
Yep, tongue says that tastes pretty good too. I like it. So, well, as much as I can like a tea. But anyways, it did pretty good, and for what it is, and for those who like tea more than me, it's probably an SRT 392. I wouldn't go get it every time, but it's good texture, good quality, and not a bad taste. So,
I agree. Probably needs its own category there almost, huh?
almost. Yeah. Need some sparkles though. Need little bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, just it's nice, a nice cleanse, at least for the workday, anyways. When you have all the dust that you're working around, to be able to have that nice little cleansing of the throat and the tongue.
Right.
So, but anyways, it's good. If you like it, try it out, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.